Welcome! In front of me I have CANON EOS 1300D, and today I'll show you how you can protect images. So at the first you have to go for the menu, then just go on the right, tap 2 times, and as you can see here at the first we can protect images, so click set to enter, then go to select images. For example, we can protect this one, so click set, and as you can see here we got the key, and it means that this photo is protected. So when you go back, and we can try to erase images, delete or just format SD card. For example, let's select that one that we want to remove, and here when you tap set and we try to select this photo to delete, we cannot. When you go for the other photos, we can make it. This one is also protected. So if you try to delete this photo, you cannot, because it's currently protected. So right now let's click erase by tapping here, confirm, and as you can see the 2 photos was removed, but this 2 was protected, so we cannot remove them. And as you can see, it's very simple. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.